let's head straight into the entertainment news. First off, bloody civilians summoned to court for allegedly defaming Helen Ukpabio. Nigerian artist Bloody Civilian has officially been summoned to court for a hearing over the alleged defamation of the founder of Liberty Gospel Church, Helen Ukpabio. A document posted online showed the right of summons from a high court sitting in Calabar, Cross River State, requesting that the musician appear within 30 days. This comes as a result of her statements about the church owner in November 2024, where she asked that, and I quote, "She literally made people burn their children alive," end quote. Helen Ukpabio's legal representative promptly issued a letter tagging Bloody Civilians' allegations as reckless, satanic, and libellous. Part of the letter read, and I quote, "Our client's attention has been drawn to your reckless, satanic, and libellous post on X, formerly Twitter, one of the world's largest social media platforms," end quote. The pastor also demanded that the singer retract her claims and publicly apologize on social media and in 10 international and national dailies within 72 hours. On top of that, she also demanded a whopping 200 billion naira in damages for the pain and stress caused by the defamation. In response to the initial document served against her in November, Bloody Civilian joked on X, formerly Twitter, saying, and I quote, "Guys, they just sued me for 200 billion naira. This December, I will add the following to my services: settling family disputes, weddings, comedy," end quote. Bloody Civilian is yet to publicly respond to the summons.
This has been going on since last year, and even at a point, I think the pastor's daughter also, Imalbon, came out to say a lot of things, and she was one that actually posted this new writ of summons, saying that I finally got the court date. She's really, really happy that this is going to court. So I don't know when this whole thing started, we're like, what's going on? Even when Bloody Civilian put out that tweet about she literally made people burn their children, there were other people under the comment that talked about how Pastor Helen Ukpabio teaches people, especially when she's talking about witchcraft, the barbaric ways that she tells them to deal with the kids, which ends up being, if you look at the legal society that we are in today, which ends up being labeled as child abuse. And after this, that was when they started dragging Bloody Civilian. Obviously, I'm sure she has evidence of whatever it is she's saying, so let's just let the court judge.
I mean, it's not even about the evidence. I mean, as this started, you rightly said it started last year, and it's been a battle actually between Helen Ukpabio's daughter, who has come out to publicly, defend her mother, and then Bloody Civilian calling her out and saying, your mom actually did terrible things. A major part of social media has also come out, to say things about these happenings and how she allegedly has abused human rights, and children's rights as well. It's a big accusation as well, and yeah, I mean, to save her own face and save her name, is only right that she takes this to court as well, if they have the right evidence to back it up. But yeah, it's a difficult situation. 200 billion.
It's a lot of money.
Wow. Wow.
Well, let's just keep our fingers crossed and see how this goes. Okay?